In snowy mountains, a blue parrot and a monkey build a shiny ice helicopter. They take off and fly over the city as people wave below. After landing near a burger shop, they laugh. Everything feels perfect. But suddenly, a sneaky bear secretly plants a silent device under the helicopter. Just before takeoff, the parrot feels a strange vibration and stops. He pushes the monkey away. The helicopter explodes, ice flying everywhere. When the smoke clears, both friends are safe. The parrot looks to the sky and says, "Smart choices save lives."